Hi there and welcome back to this video. In this video we're going to actually start the process of backing up our local site to upload to our online install site or XAMPP software. I'll just start that and start the MySQL and the Apache. So let's log in. And once we're here, we're going to go through. So if we go to plugins, I'm going to install a plugin called duplicator. And there it is. So I'm going to go ahead and install that and activate it. And now we've got the duplicator listing down here. So I'm going to go to my packages here. So we hit create new to create a new package and next, and it'll start building. This shouldn't take very long as it's a very small site. It scans it first and it's told me that everything's good. Got green check marks here, which is what we need. So I'll just go ahead and hit the build button. And this will take slightly longer than the scan. If you're doing a larger site, this may take a little bit longer. But as this is a fairly small one-page site, it really is not going to take very long at all. And there we have it. Now what we want to do, we've got the installer package and an archive package, and we want to download each of these. Just click on the appropriate button and it'll download it. And these are the files that we're going to need to upload to our online hosting provider, the directory that we're going to create there in the next lecture. So we've done everything we need to do now to back up this site. We've got the files we need here. Now you want to go to these and put them somewhere safe, because we will be using them again in a minute when we FTP up to our live hosting server. So thanks for watching. In the next video, we will go ahead and upload our site.